What is it?
More clothes. Clothes.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
Come on.
Oh, wait, Gray. Oh, so you don't really care, do you?
All he cares about is getting present.
Okay.
Oh
my goodness. That's one boo.
What is that, Griff?
Two.
Shoe?
Let's see what this one is.
It is the other one.
Shh. You get to see what it is, buddy.
Ooh, this
Wait.
soft.
Gray, she's trying to get pictures. It's the other one. Ow. Punch me.
Wow, that's nice.
Clapping.
Loud.
What kind of, what? Are these candy bars?
What?
What you got, Griff? Shoes? You got boots?
And some pants.
Let's match with them. Alright, let's see what that one is. Ooh.
Oh my goodness.
It's a jacket.
It is kind of candy bars.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Cool.
3, 4, 5.
That's nice, huh? Let's see what this is.
On his second birthday,
What is...
last one
Oh.
is going to be cool.
Who is that?
You'll love it.
Ray.
Choo-choo train?
Say time approaching. Oh my goodness. We have to might build that today. Ooh, there's Tiny and Buddy.
Wait.
Hey, Griffin. Griff. Can you say thank you, Gigi and Papa? Tell them say thank you. Can you say thank you, Gigi and Papa?
No. Say thank you.
Give it back to them.
Say thank you first.
Stop opening it, Griff. Say thank you.
He's fine. He'll say thank you in a minute.
I think he's still trying to
Say thank you. Who is that, Buddy? Where's Tiny? That's Buddy. Where's Tiny?
That's not Tiny, that's
Yep,
Dawn.
Tiny.
That's Dawn.
Can I, look, there's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4.
All right,
Hi.
y'all say hi to Becky and Dennis.
Hi.
Wait.
Is that all y'all want to say?
I guess so.
Okay.
Mama, can we...
Look, say bye-bye, Gigi. Bye-bye,
Mama.
Papa.
Mama, can
Say
we
bye-bye.
have one?
Wait, I'll open it for you. Say bye.